First up was Squirtle. If you haven't seen that repaint video yet, a link will be in the description box below. This doll was also created for the Frankendoll collab hosted by Sugarlump Gift Shop. The theme was to take a broken doll and create something new by adding new parts or even combining other dolls together. Her Instagram is linked below. Check out her profile and you can use the hashtag frankendollcollab on Instagram to see everyone's dolls. Here are the collage photos. All of the artists who participated are listed below. There are even more fantastic dolls as well as these amazing ones, so be sure to search the hashtag to see them all. Each artist is extremely talented, so check out their dolls on Instagram. Last time we brought Squirtle back from her grave at the Pokémon Tower in Lavender Town. This time it's Bulbasaur's turn to get creepified. Let's get this Frankensaur underway. My stock box dolls are actually in pretty good shape. The one time I wanted to find a damaged doll, and there were none to be found. This missing armed Casta will make a great base for our Frankensaur though. She even has a stain, so hooray! And it even looks like a Bulbasaur marking, so it's meant to be. Casta's body is bigger than a standard monster high body, but not by too much. I think she will still harmonize nicely with the other two. For the Frankendoll part, she will be getting new arms in the form of Bulbasaur's attack, Vine Whip. And without further delay, let's start customizing. I rerouted her with hair from thedollplanet.com. This color is really beautiful, I love it. And through the magic of editing, she is rerouted and ready for her new face. I've never customized a Casta before. Her face is definitely fierce, like her name. Starting with her outfit, I'm using this teal fabric to create a double-layered tulip skirt. I sew the fake leaves onto the skirt and create 2 layers of leaves. Using the veins from the leaves, I glue them onto her top. And her outfit is complete, minus her shoes, which I'm going to do last. I'm blushing her body because while she is the perfect color for a shiny Bulbasaur, I wanted to stick to the classic colors, though shiny Bulbasaur is pretty cute. Also, since she's a frankendoll, I think she needs a bigger change from her standard base color. I found this wire in my supply box, and thankfully the writing wipes right off with acetone. I drilled larger holes into the arms for the wire to fit inside. I'm attaching the 2 bulbs using super glue. I add more fake plants around where the wire attaches to make it look like vines are growing from her arm. I paint them using acrylic paints to blend in with the shade of green of the wire. Her head also needs a color change. I forgot to remove the ears at first, but that's okay. Once the second layer is sprayed, I can blend that in. Even though Bulbasaur is technically immune to poison, I wanted to give her a poison look with veins under her eyes. I use a stomp to blend out the shadows. I use acrylic paint to add highlights to the eyes and the eyelids. And I give her 2 tiny fangs. I go over her lashes with white acrylic. I'm glossing her waterline and I did her lips off camera and her face is done. I'm using ears from another doll, keeping in line with the frankendoll theme as opposed to making new ones. I wanted to give her a part from another doll and also make something new for her, so mission accomplished! I made her flat sandals so that it didn't add any height since she's already a bit taller than the others. Let's see her finished look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series. We have one more starter Pokemon left, and it's almost Halloween. So don't go too far because the final Pokemon doll video will be up very soon. Let me know your thoughts on Bulbasaur in the comment section below, and while you're there, hit subscribe to support this channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload. It's one small thing that you can do to support this channel, but it's huge to me. It helps me out and I greatly appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram, and if you want to contribute to this channel directly, a link to my Ko-fi is below. Every little bit helps. Thank you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!